Motorcycle Wheels Market Report. According to Cognitive Market Research, the global motorcycle wheel market size will be $1,524.5 million in 2024. It will expand at a CAGR of 7% from 2024 to 2031. North America motorcycle wheels market size of $609.80 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 5.2% from 2024 to 2031. Europe motorcycle wheels market size of $457.35 million. Asia Pacific motorcycle wheels market size of $350.64 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of % from 2024 to 2031. Latin America motorcycle wheels market size of $76.23 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 6.4% from 2024 to 2031. Middle East and Africa motorcycle wheels market size of $30.49 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 6.7% from 2024 to 2031. Access the free sample copy to know the market dynamics, competitor analysis, regional analysis, country analysis, segment analysis, market trends, technological trends, SWOT analysis, and more.